Hello guys, today I wanted to show you about the Corvette Stingray keys. I wanted to show you, most of the people ask me these keys for which section of the car. Yes, very good question. These keys for the hatch. Okay, I wanted to show you very quickly. For example, if you lose your remote control, you can put to this section. Hold on. Do you see that? I have to. Okay, and after that, do you see? You have to turn right. Okay, like this, and the hatch is getting open. Do you see that? Okay, this key is for here. Okay, the right side of the Corvette. This is the left side, and this section is right side under switch of the hatch. Okay, this section. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.